GM and welcome to part 2 of the Abstract series on my channel. In the last video I'm gonna link it here, and this has been the last video where I explained everything in general about the chain, and today we're gonna take a look at the testnet, which is live. There's a couple of things that we can do. It's not necessary, and we never know if testnet activity leads to an airdrop. I would see it as a get to know Abstract, get to know the Abstract ecosystem, learn more about blockchain, how a testnet works, and how you can interact with it. Let's dive in. Every blockchain needs a block explorer where you can see all the different addresses, contracts, transactions, all that kind of stuff. As always, I will put all the links down in the description. Also this one, explorer.testnet.abs.xyz, which is the Abstract Block Explorer for the testnet. You can see this here. If we want to interact with the Abstract ecosystem, we can go here, testnet live on the page, and then you can actually click here on connect wallet. Then your wallet pops up. In my case, it's the Rebby wallet. If you're using MetaMask, also fine. It is a EVM compatible wallet because Abstract is a layer 2 on Ethereum, as I explained in the last video. Now you know the block explorer, you also connected or you added the Abstract testnet to your wallet, and now we're good to go to actually do something on the chain. What do we need if we want to do something on the chain? Well, we need some gas or some, in that case, ETH to pay for transaction fees. And this is what I want to get. I'm going to copy my wallet address, paste it in here in the faucet, and request 0.001 ETH. So now I should have some ETH on the Abstract testnet. I'm good to go. This is one way. Use this faucet. What we can also do is use the official Abstract bridge. We can connect our wallet. I already did that. Let me do it again so you can follow along. Connect wallet, then you can choose. As I said, this is a layer 2 on Ethereum, so even though it shows Phantom, this will connect your Ethereum account in your Phantom wallet to the side. So use the wallet that you have all your Ethereum stuff on. Then in that case, I'm gonna do the Rebby wallet again, connect with my wallet, and then you can see here I'm connected. It actually takes some time. You can also send it to another account if you have some Sepolia ETH, so the testnet on the mainnet. If you don't, I have 0.67 ETH on the Sepolia testnet. It's always good to try out the official bridge, because this will be one thing that you can do on the mainnet then as well. If you don't have any funds on the Sepolia testnet, there's several faucets that you can use to get some. For example, the one by Google Cloud Web3. You just paste your address in here, choose the network. For us, it would be the Ethereum Sepolia network, and we would get 0.05 Sepolia ETH. Let's try to do that. And drip in queue, your testnet tokens are on the way. This may take a few moments. Then you can actually see the transaction hash, and in a couple of seconds to sometimes minutes, you should receive the funds on the Ethereum Sepolia testnet. Now let's bridge some. Let's say I want to bridge 0.1 to the Abstract testnet on my account, which always takes a couple of seconds here. Now you can basically click continue. Make sure your wallet supports Abstract testnet network before adding funds to your account. Otherwise, this can result in loss of funds. See the list of supported wallets on the ecosystem website. We can do this here. There's all the supported wallets that you can use. Basically, use your Ethereum wallet. And in that case, that's the beauty of the testnet. We're just playing around with testnets tokens. So if anything goes wrong, nice, you learned that something went wrong, but it wasn't actual money. This is why I love playing around on tests or devnet so much. So I understand. Proceed to bridge. You bridge 0.1 ETH, your Ethereum Sepolia testnet account, your Abstract testnet account. They need some time now again to verify everything. Let's wait until they're finished. Now I can click on Bridge Now, confirm this transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Well, it's not a MetaMask wallet and I don't like the number select here, but again, we're on testnet and this is the official Abstract site. And then you can see here, 40 minutes left until the bridge is complete. All right, in the meantime, we already bridged something that will arrive in a couple of minutes. So we actually tried out the official bridge, which is good. We also can use the relay testnet bridge. Here we can also search for Sepolia. You could also bridge something from a base Sepolia, for example. Select wallet, then you connect your wallet. I'm gonna do this one again. Connect. I actually have some funds on base Sepolia. I want to bridge this so I have some interaction with another chain as well. This is not the official bridge, but another bridge. Also, we're on testnet. Again, all the links are down in the description. If you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so, that helps me. And then you can click on trade. And here you can see it only takes a couple of seconds. This is always the case. The official bridge always takes some time, and then there's the other providers that basically provide the liquidity to give you the possibility to get your funds way quicker. Now, deposit funds for executing the calls. We just wait a couple of seconds. We can also check. It's already done. It only took 4 seconds, felt a bit longer, but okay, we'll take it, done. And now we have another 0.01 ETH on Abstract, which we don't. And this is why I think it's so good to use the testnet and to play around with everything to learn how things work. So we paid a lot of fees here. From 0.01 ETH, we only received 0.0088 ETH. So we actually lost some money while we bridged all of this. So always check the fees. Right now, as I said, we're on testnet. I don't care. I just wanted to bridge something to have used this bridge. Now we can check this one off as well. You can do some Galaxy quests, follow them, follow all the accounts that have something to do with Abstract. You can get points if you visit the homepage, read an article about what Abstract is, do a quiz, and then you get certain points. We don't know if this gives you any benefits or tokens for an airdrop. If you have time, feel free to do this. It's totally up to you if you think it's worth your time doing the Galaxy quest. Now, this has been going around and people think that this is actually from Abstract themselves, but this one is a message from the official Abstract, and this is good to know. Probably Deform, Galaxy or whatever, it's a marketing campaign, serves the purpose well, but you only gain points for their platform, nothing on Abstract side. You won't see it anywhere in our announcements. Doesn't have to mean anything. They could still say, hey, everyone that did the Galaxy quests also gets a bonus on the airdrop, but just know that the Deform thing is not from Abstract themselves, but rather from Deform. But what you can actually do is here, also same as Galaxy, go in there, register for the campaign. You can go in here. I have a link down as well. Feel free to use my ref link, sign in. Now I'm connected. I need to accept the terms and the privacy policy. And now I enter my referral account and let's go. Now, here's certain things that you can do, learn more about Abstract. You can connect your Twitter here, like certain posts, you know, all that kind of social tasks that you probably know by now. Then there's also free.xyz where you can do something on the testnet for now. You can connect your X, connect your wallet, sign the message, join their Discord, and you can actually create some NFTs. This will bring you some on-chain activity as well, so it never hurts. Try out free. Even though this might not end up in giving you a abstract airdrop, you might get an airdrop from free because, as they say, complete steps below to join free airdrops. Farm this year as well if you want, and some alpha. Believer, the NFT launchpad, which originally launched on ApeChain, will launch on Abstract as well on day one. And there's actually the Believer Pass that might give some allow list spots. I'm not sure if it's worth getting some. I got them in the mint and hoping now that they will bring me some allow list spots on Abstract Chain as well, and not only on Ape Chain. That's basically it for the testnet part. See you again in part 3 of the series, and it would be nice if you could send these videos to some of your friends. That would help me a lot. And now I would say have a good day and see you in the next video.